With every glass of wine, there's a meal that complements it. If you enjoy drinking a glass of red wine with your meal every now and then, I have 2 plant-based recipes that will pair nicely with it. In this video, I'll show you how to make a vegan ropa vieja and zucchini noodles with a ground tofu sauce. Hey guys, it's Desiree, and if you're new around here, I make plant-based recipes with a Latin twist, which you can find on my food blog, Rican Vegan. I've teamed up with vegan wines for this video, and they sent me the wines to pair with both of these recipes, a Montefalco Rosso and a Chianti Classico. Both wines are vegan, meaning that no animal byproducts were used during the winemaking process. Many don't know that animal byproducts are sometimes used to fine the wine, which is a way to remove the leftover sediments that's in the wine after it's been fermented. So even though the wine is made from grapes, if it's been filtered using animal byproducts, then it's not vegan. I want to thank Vegan Wines for sending me both of these wines to try. I'm also including a link to their website where you can get more information about their wine club and where you can also purchase the wines that I'm pairing with these recipes. Also, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to my channel to see more of my recipe videos when they come out. For the first recipe, I'm making a vegan ropa vieja made from shredded jackfruit over rice. Now, the literal translation of ropa vieja is old clothes, but no clothes are used to make this recipe, and it's normally made with shredded beef, but I'm using the jackfruit instead. First, cook the rice or your favorite grain as per the instructions on the package. Drain the jackfruit from the can and rinse off the brine. Go through all of the pieces of the jackfruit and look for small pods and remove them. I prefer to take them out because the shell of the pods can be a little hard after it's cooked, when it should all be very soft and tender. Sometimes you can see them and sometimes you may have to feel for them. In a large pot, add a 1/3 cup of the vegetable broth and the jackfruit. You're gonna brown the jackfruit on the outside for a few minutes and then remove it from the pot and set it aside. Slice some green and red peppers and an onion. I'm slicing them thin because I want them to cook faster. Add them to the pot. And a splash of the vegetable broth. And cook for 15 minutes or until the onions are caramelized. Add some white cooking wine and bring it to a rapid boil and deglaze the bottom of the pan. Add some garlic, tomatoes, tomato paste, the recao or sofrito, olives, adobo, cumin, sazon, oregano, salt, pepper, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Add the jackfruit back into the pot and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 25 minutes or until the jackfruit is tender. Transfer the jackfruit pieces onto a plate and shred it. Serve over rice. I've paired this vegan ropa vieja with the Montefalco Rosso from Luca di Tommaso that has a hint of cherry and violet. Next is the zucchini noodles with the ground tofu sauce. Drain the liquid from a block of tofu and crumble it with either a fork, a potato masher, or in a food processor. Slice the zucchini into noodle shapes with either a julienne peeler or a spiralizer, and set that aside as well. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and drizzle some olive oil. Add the crumbled tofu, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, oregano, rosemary, thyme, marjoram, and salt. Cook for 10 minutes. Add the spaghetti sauce to the ground tofu and cook for 5 more minutes. You could cook the zucchini noodles in some boiling water for 3 minutes if you want to, or you could serve them raw like I do here. The heat from the tofu and sauce warms them up anyway. I'm serving this dish with a Chianti Classico. It's a deep Italian red wine that has a sweet and fruity taste. This recipe was featured on Well and Good as part of their meal prep series called Prep School. You could check it out in the link below. I hope you enjoyed these recipes, and I've included links to both of them in the description below. If you want to check out more of my delicious plant-based recipes, head on over to my website at ricanvegan.com. And thanks again to Vegan Wines for providing the wines that were paired with these recipes. If you'd like to learn more about the wines they offer, go to the link in the description below. What's your favorite kind of wine to drink while you eat? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one. Also hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Since you made it this far in the video, why don't you check out one of my other videos by clicking here? And while you're at it, click here to subscribe to my channel to get notified of when I post new videos. There's going to be a new video coming out next week that you don't want to miss out on.